With this platform right here, you can actually go on to getting unlimited credit cards right now for various countries all around the world right here. As you can see right now on this particular section, if I do just simply click on create card, but before I do click on create card, just simply what the name and the credit card details right here. But once I do click on generate card right now, as you can see right now, everything is actually going to go on to changing right here. As you can see, the name actually changed right now. Once I do go on to clicking on this right here again, click on generate card. As you can see right now, the name has actually been changed. The credit card number and details also has actually been changed. All I actually need to do right now is to just simply click on validate card, and I can just simply go on to getting this particular card and using this right now for my CPA self-clicking method right here. As you can see, I do have the card name, the card details, and also this particular CVV number for a MasterCard right now. So do go on to using this right here. And if you don't want to just simply gain access to this particular platform and start getting this particular card, make sure you do go on to watching this video right here to the end to actually utilize this right now. So first of all guys, you want to just simply go onto a CPA marketing platform right now to get CPA marketing offer right here. And if I'm just going to be using the CPA grip, I could just simply come onto this platform, and if I do head on to CPA grip, you want to just simply click on register if you don't have an account. And if you do click on register, you should be brought to this page right here. All you actually have to do is to just simply fill out this form appropriately. And when filling out this form right here guys, fill out the section that I actually do having this red asterisk sign. And you can see right here that these two fields are not actually having this sign. You could skip that right now. You could just simply focus more on this field with the red asterisk sign, fill out those sections appropriately. For the publisher type, either select this website, Incent, or the GPT, as one of them or both of them actually do help you get your account approved almost immediately. You could come right here to this terms of services, agree to the terms of services by checking out these boxes right now. And if you do that right here, you could read through the terms of services by clicking on this icon. It's going to take you to that page right now. So once you're done with that, just simply go on to clicking on register. But guys, before we go further into the video guys, if you're actually new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing and how to make money online with affiliate marketing and other AI tools. And you can just simply go on to checking out my channel, the videos in my channel, if you do like such content. Also make sure you are subscribed to this channel to ensure that I actually notify you whenever I do release some amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making money online. Do make sure you go on to maybe turning on your notification bell on all. So make sure you do subscribe to this channel and your notification bell are on all. And with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So right now guys, you can see I'm logged into my CPA grip account, and right here you can see how much I've actually made right here today just by utilizing this particular strategy. And what you want to do is to just simply go onto the offer tools section, click on my offers, and actually do go on to selecting all countries right now. Once you do that, select the category to the credit card submit right here, and you can see right here that while using the credit card submit offers, if I do click on payout right here, right, it's going to show me the highest paying offers, and you can actually do see that these are actually quite larger than other kinds of offers right here, because it is quite difficult to get people to go on to submitting their email address while completing a survey right there, or their their credit card details while completing a survey, rather than submitting their email address or their PIN or zip code while going through a survey. So this is quite more difficult. That's why the reward to this right here is quite higher when compared to other kinds of offers. You can see right here, this one pays you at approximately $30. This one right here, $30, and it list keep going on and on and on. You can see right now that these are actually cool amounts which you could go on to earning right here. And for this right now guys, you could just simply click on one of this offer right here. If I do click on this offer, I'm going to be shown a pop-up with more details about that particular offer. So right now for these guys, you can actually do see more details about the offer right here. As you can see, this offer is for the Belgium demographic right now. It's a desktop offer, meaning that you actually have to use a desktop device or a laptop to go into completing this offer and actually submit your credit card details while going through a survey, and you do get paid this particular amount right here. So you can actually do use this unique affiliate link right here. Click on copy the link and start promoting this offer. And if you want to know more details about this offer, you can just simply copy all these texts and go on to using the Google Translator. Supposing I do copy this text right now and head on to Google and just simply search for Google Translator. So if I do go into searching for Google Translator online, you can see right now I'm just going to go on to paste in that particular text in right here, or I can then just simply go back and copy the text better. So supposing I copy this title, head back to this section and actually paste that in right here. I think I'm having some difficulties right now. As you can see, it's actually translating this right here, and you can see it says get the safest checkout for you, and you can see that that has actually been translated right here, and this is actually in the Dutch language. So you can actually do no more details about the offer by using this Google Translator. And for you to actually go into self-clicking on that offer yourself, you want to just simply come back to this particular page, and you want to just simply go into using a VPN. And if you do go into having a VPN on your device right here, I'm just going to open mine. As you can see, mine is actually loading right now, and I can just simply go on to changing this demographic right here to Belgium. And if I just select this particular demographic right now, as you can see, it's actually connecting to that demographic. You can then just simply use this right here, copy the link to this offer, and actually, because my VPN is already on the Belgium demographic, I'm just going to go onto a new tab, paste in that link, and go on to completing that offer myself. And whenever that offer actually go on to asking me for a credit card details right here, I'm just going to use the credit card details, which I actually do get from this platform right here, which is called the neapay.com. The neapay.com, and I'm going to spell that out for you, neapay.com. So if you do get that particular, come onto this particular platform right here, you should be brought to this particular page. All you actually have to do is to just simply go onto this particular platform and actually sign up for an account. If you do sign up for an account, you'll be brought to this particular page where you just simply have to register, fill out your name, your email address, your password, and fill in your password again, and you will be sent a confirmatory code to your email address where you just simply have to confirm your email address. Once you do that, you want to click on this tool icon and just simply go on to selecting credit card or the card generator right here, card generator and validator. If you do select that, you should be brought to this particular page where you can just simply go on to getting a lot of credit cards to go on to using right now. If you do click on generate card, as you can see right now, it's also going to go on to changing, getting a new card right here with a different name, a different code, and a different stuff right here. So you can then just simply go on to clicking on validate card, and that card will actually be validated right here, and you can then just simply go on to using this card for your preference right now to complete such offers which you do actually have right here for your CPA marketing credit card summit offers. So guys, as you can see, there are actually numerous offers right here which you could go on to completing. Once you do complete this, you can go on to the next one and start completing each and every single one of them right here, and the list quite goes numerous right now. As you can complete as many offers as you can see right now, you start actually earning some cool amount of cash with CPA marketing each and every single day right now. So just simply complete each offer right now and start making your money with CPA marketing using this simple strategy and this platform called the neapay.com. So guys, I do hope this video was helpful to you. If you want to just simply get more tips about self-clicking and CPA marketing and other ways which you could make money online, why not just simply go on to subscribing to this channel, and also guys, and just simply go on to watching the video that will be shown on your screen right now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.